BMW 4 Series Gran Coupes are powered by the latest BMW twin-power turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and 3.0-liter 6-cylinder engines, with the inline 6-cylinder M440i xDrive Gran Coupe gaining the added benefits of a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Both engines feature a twin-scroll turbocharger, a high-precision direct injection system, Valvetronic fully variable valve timing and double Vanos variable camshaft timing, along with more efficient cooling and oil supply systems. The inline 6-cylinder engine powering the BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe was developed with the motorsport expertise of BMW M GmbH and comes with weight-optimized pistons and connecting rods, as well as a twin-scroll turbocharger with indirect charge air cooling. It generates 382 horsepower and 369 pounds-ft of torque, accelerating the BMW M440i xDrive Gran Coupe from 0 to 60 mph in April 4 seconds. The acceleration is accompanied by the distinctive sound produced by the standard M Sport exhaust system. The 48-volt mild hybrid technology found in the M440i xDrive. A 48-volt starter generator acts like an electric drive unit that assists the engine, allowing it to operate within an efficiency-optimized load range as frequently as possible. It also offers the driver an electric boost effect that can instantly put an extra 11 horsepower on tap to give the power unit even sharper response when accelerating off the line or putting in a quick burst of speed. The power used for the electric boost drive is recouped battery that also supplies the electric energy for the 12V onboard power supply, enabling exceptionally efficient operation. 8-speed sports Steptronic transmission. All engines in the new BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe are linked with the 8-speed sports Steptronic transmission with steering wheel-mounted shift paddles and launch control. The latest version of the automatic transmission delivers sharper shift characteristics, improved efficiency, remarkably fast gear changes and very smooth operation. In order to optimize the shift strategy for sporty performance and efficiency, the transmission's control unit considers data from route topography and the traffic situation supplied by the navigation system and driver assistance systems. This makes it possible, for example, to shift down early when approaching a junction or a vehicle ahead. Features a sprint function for more dramatic bursts of mid-range acceleration. This involves triggering various actions when the driver pulls on the left shift paddle for at least a second. These include automatically dropping into the lowest possible gear and switching all the powertrain and chassis systems to their sportiest setting. BMW Live Cockpit Professional features a fully digital 12.3-inch high-resolution instrument cluster behind the steering wheel plus a fully digital touch 10.25-inch center control display. The fully digital instrument display provides enough room to accommodate an excerpt from the navigation map, media content, status indicators for the driver assistance systems or assisted view 3D visualization of the surrounding area. Information such as lateral acceleration during high-speed cornering can be displayed here as well. 2 USB ports for data transfer, a Wi-Fi interface, a built-in SIM card with 4G LTE connectivity, and the standard connected package. Professional enable the use of digital services such as BMW Teleservices and intelligent emergency call, real-time traffic information including hazard alert and remote services via the My BMW app.